So, I know what you think this looks like. Looks like I'm taking the screws out of a perfectly good drone, but hey, guess what? This motor's not working. At least I don't think it is. Yeah, she ain't spinning. So, I'm going to try and see if I can't put this one on, and hopefully, yep, it's the right it's the right one. So make sure it's the right motor first before we go and do anything crazy. Yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna finish taking these screws out, and hopefully we will. I know I should probably take, the other props off, but I'm not even gonna be working there, and I want to get this thing in the air as fast as possible. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Case. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not what I want on my iron. It smells terrible. It smells great. Okay. Cool. Black, red, white. Ooh, I'm shaking. Okay, it's done. Nice. It is done. Black, red, white. So, bad motor is gonna get taped, so I don't accidentally put it back on. That'd be terrible. So yeah, we're gonna tape this, put it over there. I should put it in my box. Ooh, drum solo. Drum solo. We'll just seat this guy right in here. And we will try and put this baby back together. So red is positive. Bring this over here. Red is positive, I do believe. Black is negative, always. So, this is upside down. No? Yes? No? Oh. Yeah, they're flipped. That's weird. That's strange. Whatever. Whatever. It's weird how they're actually like flipped over here. But black, red, white, that's how it should be.
Thank you. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yep.
We are the love chord. That's our new name.
Yep.
And glad you are enjoying it. We're keep going.
Let's just do this. Oh my gosh. I actually really melted this. I didn't even notice. Oh man. Oh, she's moving. She's moving. She's moving and she's grooving. Oh, hello. I'm happy. Let's get her in there and see what happens. So, I'm going to show you the damage report here from my fix. It's always something. Seems fine though. I didn't even realize I did this. I touched the soldering iron right here, apparently, just for a second, and that was enough. So let's get these screws back on and let's get her up in the air. I've been waiting too long for this.